Now, who have we here? Is a sister, Facebook friend, Twitter tweeter?
Carly, this is Bruce.
Hi.
Bruce.
I'm his girlfriend. Pleasure to meet you. Sam was right. You really do have a smashing head of hair.
Well, thank you.
Sam, I gotta run.
Yeah.
Oh. Here, your present. Your favorite color. Nice to meet you, Mr. Bravo.
And you.
See you, boys.
I'm still stewing about that binder incident, Jerry.
Milk.
I don't care about your exotic milk. I care about respect.
I'm talking to you. Oh, slow down, Tiger.
You showed up in the back of 6 different photos, 2 continents with aliens. That was you in Egypt, huh? Right? Because you know the aliens. See ya.
Too much, Jack. Deep Wang. You're not getting it. You throw it into Watergate. Talking cold to you. Damn it. I can't go to the government, but you can. Because stuff's going down, son. It is code pink, as in Floyd. Dark side. Why do you think no one's been up there since 1972?
You're speaking English. It's a very strange English. That's why I'm not. Don't. I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna hit you right back, son.
Turn it over for me.
You're taking this out.
Everyone who knows what's on the dark.
I flipped my tank.
I like this little thing.
I went over some pillows. Thank you.
You look at my grill?
Stare down, you and me. Guess I won.
Room service.
Flipped it again.
Here, blood.
Yours? Deal with this.
Yes, sir.
I did everything you wanted.
You give me your talk, because it's some of the stuff to do.
Are they saving the dog or the cat?
Did you see I'm busy?
I don't know. I think Sammy's got the dog in his hand.
You shredded the install. That's happened to me once in this life. I wouldn't forget it. When the bathroom stall, you took the package out.
Whoa! We are not boyfriends, okay?
Put Max down. Let him in.
Come here, Max.
He's doing the same.
Okay.
Leo's watching. You can see him. He's dead in my sights. Poor guy. We won't mess with him.
You can eat in there. It's okay.
I told him not to get in front of the tank, and look where Sammy is.
Okay, Lord.
You okay? When should I come back? When should I come back?
Come back when you learn some manner. I don't know him. I would never say anything. Oh, okay. 7,000 enemy satellite. Just like I promised. I will blind spot the program as a bonus. What more do you want from me?
Jerry, you are my favorite.
Don't you whatever you want me to do.
I know. But my superiors need me to. Suicide you.
Oh, shoot. Huh? You want some chicken dinner now, bitch? Because somebody messed with the wrong way today. Come on! You want some of me?
I don't need any more didactic lectures from Chuck. Oh, Jesus.
Get legal.
It's Jerry.
Come on, people, yes. A workmate died, but looking out the window is not going to bring him back. The man was depressed.
Don't take a picture.
You can keep watching him, but he's not getting up. You all read Humpty Dumpty. Okay?
Wiki, I'm especially impressed. You clean up. Wayne is everywhere. He is in the bistro. He's in the bamboo. He's on the balustrade.
You see the sidewalk down there?
Box up this person to get his name off his parking space.
Hey, when did we get a new
So
costume?
you're not going to say anything about what I saw. Who you share a toilet stall with is totally innocent.
This is exceedingly Japanese. They never make it easy, do they?
Hey, Max, I see you, buddy. No, Daddy's playing right now. I think I was on his call.
Witch hunters never act alone. We have to find the hive.
American Horror Story. Coven. All new. Tonight at 10. Only on FX.
Chili's lunch break combos starting at just $6. Like our new Santa Fe chicken quesadilla, burger bites, sandwiches, and more. Served with fries and your choice of super salad. Chili's lunch break combos starting at $6. More life happens here.
This is the comfort of full grain Napa leather. This is a fully equipped crafted interior. This keeps you up to date with everything and everyone. This is 9 gears that give you 31 miles per gallon highway. This is the freedom to keep chasing all the horizons you want. Introducing the all-new 2014 Jeep Cherokee.
Well-qualified lessees can lease the all-new 2014 Jeep Cherokee Sport for $259 a month.
Emily's just starting out and on a budget. Like a ramen noodle every night budget. She thought Allstate car insurance was out of her reach. Until she heard about the value plan. See how much you could save with Allstate. Are you in good hands?
Huh?
Is your buddy in there? He watched me over.
Yeah, did you?
He did. Okay. He had a couple sips of wine. He might be a little inebriated.
Thomas. Now playing. Oh, holy.
This is a real thing.
What is with you? This is the real deal, Carly, okay? I need you to stay composed. It's real life. I'll explain it to you later. We got an emergency. We gotta get Colonel Lance out here. I'm reporting Decepticons. Decepticons are back. You gotta open that gate right now.
Easy, sir. This is Health and Human Services.
Right, packing M4s? What are you protecting? Colostomy bags, bedpans, throat lozenges? Where'd you get that hat from? Nursing school? So you're nurses and foot powder protector. Fantastic, yes. We are in the right place. We are in the right place. We are in the right place, and I'm gonna talk to Optimus right now. You're gonna get Optimus out here.
You get the wrong building. I don't know what you're talking about.
What part of Decepticons back do you not understand?
Yo! You being a smartass?
Do not hit my car, the collector's item! We're gonna end on reading! Diary to the vehicle!
Pick it up.
Are you
Pick it up.
I gotta go! Hey! He's being in there! Okay,
Decided you Autobots? We're on the same team.
Yeah, enjoy your next job at 7-Eleven, Dick.
Put it down.
You jerk.
How's your car now?
Where'd this come from?
What is it? Oh, that's what Mom's giving to Sammy, I guess.
What?
Mom's getting to Sammy for her birthday.
Your mom?
What's your deal, huh?
Yeah.
I know your black ops stuff is important to you. I'm not trying to diminish it or guilt trip you or anything. I just never see you anymore. You can't come to the garage just hang out one night?
Sam, that makes me feel bad.
I hope you feel bad. You should feel bad. Look at the job I'm driving now. I feel better. Same thing.
Yo, both of you. Lennox likes to see it.
Isn't that good enough for you anymore? You're fixing my car. You don't think so? Raise your hand and get a flying cycle ninja cop and try to kill you today. Those are my brass knuckles. That's my ankle. Do I have to take that off too? Am I totally?
What are you doing?